to my channel. So it is currently, what's today? It is 1:47, Sunday, September 6th. So we came to my mom's house. I've been up since 6 in the morning. And yeah, we've been seeing a lot of fires since yesterday, which was Saturday. And we're still seeing a lot more fireworks. I mean, more fires going on. But yeah, it's getting, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on, let me try to zoom in here. Right over there. It's been getting pretty bad lately. That even it's getting to the point where it even looks like it's like raining outside, or like in that area it looks like it's raining. But we went to Walmart because I needed a new blanket. Right now we're gonna go into Best Buy in Belmont, whatever you want to fucking call it. But we're gonna go to Best Buy because we want to get a sound bar for our room, and then we were gonna get like some cameras for my mother-in-law's mom. So there's that. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog at Best Buy. I'll probably vlog with my phone, if anything, because I don't know if I'm allowed to vlog inside Best Buy. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that little quick update. And yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, we went to Disney. I didn't really vlog at Disney. This mask at Disney. This Minnie Mouse. I also got a Stitch backpack from Box Lunch. It has like little pockets on the side. Came to get a soundbar quick, but we don't know which one we want to get yet. You want the Boss one, or do you want the other one, babe? Depends which one you like, huh?
Is pretty good.
I know. I think JBL también is good. I think. But we shall see. I don't know. Usual drink. Okay, so it is currently 5:46, and we're gonna go back home already from my mom's house. Going back home, I have to do laundry when I get home. So yeah, now we're gonna show you guys the fire still. I don't know if you guys can see that real quick, but it's usually like right about there, like that area. It's just like really foggy. I don't know if you guys can see that. My camera is a little messed up right now, so I don't know if you guys can tell how that part is like all cloudy right there, like of flames.
Yeah, get the good side and the bad
like,
side.
Here. And then that's just like all fire, literally. But I think it was where I was reading it from. It's not Yucaipa, it's actually San Bernardino. But when we were coming like from the house to my mom, it was coming from Yucaipa still. So I don't know if it's still Yucaipa or San Bernardino, but earlier, about what, like 15 minutes ago, maybe 20, it was coming from San Bernardino. So I don't know. I don't know. I think there's two fires going on right now. One in Yucaipa still and one in San Bernardino. So I'll try and keep you guys posted on that. I don't know when this video will be going up though. So anyhow, I'll keep you guys posted on that because I don't know, it's really weird. It's literally like a lot of fire, like a lot. And like it's weird because earlier, what were we talking about? Oh, like the sun would literally go in and then we wouldn't see the sun for a while, and then it would come back out. I don't know, it was really weird, but I don't know. I'll try to see if I can find it online still. So I'm tired, I'm sleepy.
World. A lot of people want to get their skin treatments done because, you know, we've all been out in the summer and all that stuff. So
I'm doing laundry. I have one right there, and then I have one more in there. I have stuff in the dryer as well. But time to get them out. Guys, so right now it's kind of dark in here. That's one reason I'm using a Snapchat filter, because I don't want to turn on all the lights except for that. So he goes to get him, you know, to bring him inside already, and he comes back in and he's like, where is his antibiotics? Like, I'm like, he was in my room for a little bit, and then he went into my in-laws' room because he just was not having it. We Alright guys, so this vlog is a little bit different. So my dog just got bit by something, or he attacked something. As you guys can see, I got milk here. I gave him ibuprofen. I don't know what the hell he attacked or tried to attack, I know, but he's a little bit better than before. We'll see. Good morning, guys. What time is it? Like 9, huh? We came to the vet real quick, just to do a real checkup from, I think, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. From the itchiness. The itchiness kind of went away for him. And then the little like balls that he has on his back, they're still there. I low-key think they're like mosquito bites that he gets, But yeah, so we're just gonna do a quick checkup. I haven't given really his antibiotics that much just because I don't remember what the fuck the antibiotics were for. So I just really haven't given him his antibiotics. Besides when he got bitten by the spider. That was like the only time I have given his, and yesterday, giving his antibiotics. But yeah, his paws are also kind of like cracked. I need to start putting Vaseline on them. So I really need to start putting Vaseline on his paws. I think that's what's gonna help him out a little bit more. But they got like that because the day that we took him to the lake, and it was really fucking hot. But yeah, my dog's back there somewhere. Oh, he's hiding that way. You can see his tongue. Stitch. Stitch. No? Okay, bye. Alright guys, so we're back. So he's fine. He's perfectly fine. He's healthy. But right now we're home. We're gonna feed him right now as well and give him his antibiotics from before. Making some pancakes, you guys. Sorry. So there's that. And yeah. So I'm gonna make some breakfast right now for not everyone in the house, but everyone in the house. But yeah. So we made it here to the park. We already did like a couple rounds. Some like 2 of those rounds we kind of ¿cómo se dice? Ran it. There you go. So they're pretty tired. He still has some energy, as you can tell. Her, not really, not as much as him, but yeah. We just made a quick little stop para que tomen agua. Y al que tomen agua, otra vez a empezar a correr or walk, either or. But either way, I needed it and the dogs needed it porque estar en la casa como que se enfada uno. But